Today, we're going to learn how to change your Netflix subscription plan directly from your phone's web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Safari, or another browser, these steps should work for you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your phone. For this example, I'll be using Chrome. Next, go to the Netflix website. Type in netflix.com in the address bar and hit enter. And if you're not already logged in, enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, tap on 3 lines at the top left corner, and on the side menu, tap on Account. Select Account. You'll be redirected to the Account page. Scroll down until you find the Membership and Billing section. Click on Change Membership Plan. You'll see a list of available plans. Compare the features and prices to choose the one that suits you best. Confirm your choice by clicking on Change Plan. You might be asked to confirm your payment information. And that's it! You've successfully changed your Netflix subscription plan. Remember, changes usually take effect on your next billing cycle. If you're having trouble, make sure you're using a stable internet connection and that your browser is up to date. For more assistance, you can always visit the Netflix Help Center. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.